Chris Tyndall is no stranger to hospital emergencies. The double heart attack survivor had been suffering flu symptoms for a week before he tried to call for urgent help while struggling to breathe.
I thought I needed to get to the hospital and there's no sound whatsoever. So I rang again, still no sound. So I used my other phone, which is also Optus, and there's still no sound.
The Peterborough resident got through 10 minutes later, but the experience has left him shaken and angry.
I know now I can't rely on them. So I'm going back home knowing that next time I need it, it may not be there again.
His triple-0 calls were among more than 600 which failed to connect during a 13-hour Optus outage across 4 states last Thursday. Today, Optus revealed it's identified another 7 calls which didn't connect in the lead up to the upgrade. Attempted calls have been linked to 1 death in SA and 2 in WA, where police now say 1 person who died didn't make it to hospital.
I think the community should be shocked. Again, if there's not one number we want to get right, it's 000.
The lawyer who successfully prosecuted Dreamworld over 4 deaths has raised the possibility of industrial manslaughter.
Anytime I think you have an interplay between a fatality and the conduct of a business, it has to be that industrial manslaughter is something that regulators need to think about.
Optus is also facing intense scrutiny from the federal government.
Optus has perpetuated an enormous failure upon the Australian people, and they can expect to face significant consequences.
Should the Chief Executive consider his position?
Look, I would have thought I'd be surprised if that wasn't occurring.
The telecommunications regulator has launched an investigation into the cause of the outage and the response.
We're seeing this big gap between when the outage actually occurred and when people were notified.
The Communications Minister also wants the investigation to consider whether private companies should be responsible for delivering 000 calls. It's the second time in less than 2 years that an Optus outage has prevented customers from calling emergency services.
We did not expect to be here again so soon.
Another investigation into another breach. Catherine Birmingham, ABC News.